Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to log into Telegram Web, that is the desktop version of Telegram app. So I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, you have to go to your browser in your desktop or on your laptop and just write Telegram Web login. So once you search Telegram Web login, the first option most probably would come like web.telegram.org. This is the login link of Telegram Web. So just click here, Telegram Web, and once you do, it will show you a QR code. Login to Telegram by QR code, open Telegram settings devices. All the route is already shown over here. So now I'll take my mobile here and go as per the instructions given. I'll open my Telegram app here. For example, I open my Telegram app, and here what you need to do is on the topmost left corner of your Telegram window, just click on these three bars, and here you just need to go to settings, and in settings go straight down. In the midway you will see in settings, this place settings, there will be something called devices. Once you press on devices, it will ask like Telegram Android 8.2.7 scan QR code. So just press here, scan QR code. I will press on scan QR code, scan QR code. So as you can see, the Telegram has opened in my laptop. So this is how you open Telegram app in your laptop or desktop in your own laptop browser by using the steps or method that I have shown you just now. So here you can do all activities or all the steps that you can do in your mobile phone as well. You can mail, you can do instant messaging, you can open groups, everything you can do it here itself. So friends, this is how you open or log in Telegram Web in your laptop or desktop. Follow the steps that I have shown you in this video and you're good to go with this web login of Telegram. So friend, that's it in this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.